A fertilizer spreader is used to apply fertilizer and other granular products to surfaces. Other products might include granular pesticides, grass seed, pelletized top dressings, or even de-icing products for winter walkway use. A fertilizer spreader, when properly maintained, will spread these products evenly and consistently over the surface of the ground. Here are the parts of this spreader and their function. This is the hopper, which holds the product to be applied. This professional spreader model will hold about 80 pounds, equivalent to a bag and a half of standard fertilizer. This is the rain cover, which keeps rain off the product and will stop dust from the product being blown around. This is the screen, which keeps chunks of product and other debris from reaching the bottom openings on the spreader. As you look into the bottom of the hopper, you will see the agitator just above the openings where the fertilizer drops out. This agitator is an important component in applying product properly. The openings at the bottom of the hopper are closed and opened with this lever that sits on the handlebars. We call it the shutoff lever. Below this lever are two more levers. This one controls the third hole opening only. This one controls the deflector. These two levers can be employed when fertilizing along walkways and road edges, anywhere that you want to eliminate the fertilizer spread out of one side. Behind the hopper here is the control rate plate and knob. By adjusting this assembly, we can regulate how much product drops out of the bottom when the lever is in the open position. Putting this on the correct setting given by your supervisor is very important. Now back down to the bottom of the hopper. You will see that when the openings are in the open position, fertilizer drops down onto this plate called an impeller. The impeller is held in place by this impeller shaft, which meets a gearbox. This gearbox is connected by gears to the drive shaft for the wheels. Because they are all connected, the impeller spins when the wheels are moving. The faster the wheels move, the faster the impeller spins. These, of course, are the wheels. So you now are aware of the important parts of the fertilizer spreader and their functions. Let's talk about using the fertilizer spreader properly. We are going to fertilize this lawn. First, let's fill the hopper with some fertilizer and get ready to fertilize this lawn. We make sure the spreader is on level ground, with the shutoff lever in the closed position. We will fill on the hard surface, not the lawn, as a spill is always possible. We will work here without the rain cover. This will be your company's option. The screen is in place, although this will vary as well. Ask your supervisor. We will fill the hopper with one bag of this fertilizer, being sure to always double-check the product label before filling. Even though this hopper will hold a bag and a half, this can make the hopper very heavy, so we will only use one 55-pound bag. Also, a very full hopper is more prone to tipping and spillage on slopes, and it will make the hopper harder to handle. Our supervisor told us to spread the fertilizer we are using on setting number 14, so this is what we will set the control rate lever at, and then tighten the knob firmly. At this time, we are not concerned about controlling fertilizer that spreads onto this walkway, so we will not bother shutting off one hole and using the deflector. More on this later.